Hey everyone, I can't wait to show you this new yarn from Lion Brand. This is Skein Tones, a modern neutral yarn palette that complements a wide spectrum of skin tones. Let's take a look. Skein Tones is a basic stitch anti-pilling yarn. If you're unfamiliar with basic stitch, it's a versatile worsted weight acrylic yarn that's treated to resist pilling. This yarn was designed with amigurumi in mind. Use Skein Tones to create dolls that look like you with one of these 12 shades. But that's not all you can do with Skein Tones. It's a great yarn for garments and accessories. Lion Brand has created some excellent patterns using these nude colors, and these colors go so well together, you don't have to choose just one. Neutrals are always in. Each ball of Skein Tones is machine washable with 185 yards of yarn. And of course, this is the same 100% anti-pilling acrylic yarn as Basic Stitch anti-pilling. I'm going to work up a swatch so you can see this yarn in action. So I've chosen to work up swatches with the lightest and darkest shades. These colors are just so vivid and saturated. And this yarn is so soft. It has a very subtle shine to it, but it also has a little bit of a halo. Skein Tones also has that silky feeling. It's very smooth. It's gonna feel great when you're wearing it. Skein Tones has really fantastic stitch definition. Just plain stockinette stitch or single crochet look really pretty, but this will also work up really well for amigurumi or in more complicated stitch patterns. This yarn is spun really well to create nice squishy stitches, and these swatches are so cushy and comfy. I can't wait for you to try out Skein Tones. I hope you'll share your creations with #IamLionBrand. Happy stitching!